Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how Norming solution can help you to automate your travel and expenses. I will first show you as a traveler. I will be traveling the next week. So I will submit my travel request to my supervisor to let him know where I am going, how long I will be staying, and how much money I will spend during the travel. And after I'm back from the travel, I will submit my expense report for reimbursement. I will show you how easy users can use the mobile app to submit the expense report. And I will show you how smart the system is to help the finance user to save their time on manual checking and spending controls. The flexible workflow engine can be configured to meet all your approval requirements. You can have conditional-based workflows based on the expense amount. And approvers can receive notifications for new approvals or reminder for the pending approvals. And after the expense has been fully approved, the accounts payable invoice will be generated in the Sage 300 without any human intervention or synchronization process. Now as a traveler, I can access to the web portal to submit my travel request anywhere with a browser. And you can get the mobile app from the Google Play or Apple Store if you are using an Android or iPhone. I can use my employee ID or company email to log in the system. Users can do a lot more requisitions on this portal, like to submit their purchase request and timesheets, but today we'll be only focusing on the travel and expenses. Click on Travel and Expenses, then Travel Request. On the left-hand side of the screen, user can easily track the approval status. Click New for a new travel request. You can enter the purpose of this travel. Add your destinations and how many days will stay for the travel. You can add detailed comments for your each destinations. Go to the estimate and you can add expense details to let your supervisor know how much money you will spend during the travel. You can add comments for detailed explanation. You can add multiple expense codes to get the total amount for this travel. You can add attachments such as detailed itinerary for the supervisor's review. Attachments can be opened directly through the web browser. Click Submit for approval, and you will get warning message if you have travel request been booked under the same period. User can get the approver's name and approval time through the approval trail. Approver will receive email notifications for approval, and they can click into the URL link in the email notification to quickly access to the web portal for detailed travel request information. They can check the itinerary, the travel cost, and the attachments uploaded by the requester. They can approve or reject the travel request and put the comments. Now the travel request has been approved. Now 2 weeks later, after I'm back from the travel, I will submit my expense report for approval. I can still log in the portal through the browser. Go to Travel and Expenses and Expenses. I can check my expense approval status from left-hand side of the screen. Click New for a new expense report. And I can choose the travel request been approved weeks ago. You will find the expense items will be auto-populated to the details. And you will notice the GL accounts will be auto-populated based on your configurations in the Sage 300. It will save a lot of time for finance to manually specify the GL codes. And GL segments can be overwritten based on the division or department you choose. Now see the first segment of the GL count of the first item has been changed from 100 to 200 after the division been changed. And this is all automatically. User doesn't have to remember the GL codes or segments. The tax can be auto-calculated based on your Sage 300 configurations. You can change the tax class as you require. The comments can also be brought up from your travel to the expense report. You can add new expense items as needed. It supports multi-currency in the Sage 300. Now I can click Submit, and I will get error message for missing attachment. The application will help you to check all the mandatory information you need for the expense report. It will save you a lot of time for back and forth and corrections. You can attach the receipt through attachments. And in this video, I'm happy to tell you that you can use the mobile app to submit your expense report even you are out of the office. Log in the mobile app and click Expenses. Add a new expense report with detailed information, like the expense items and amount. User can use their smartphone camera to capture the receipt and attach it to the expense report, so they won't worry about to lose their paper-based receipts. With a mobile app, user can easily and quickly add their expense report with a few clicks. For better screen quality, I will go back to the web screens and demonstrate the application. After the receipt been added, user can check the personal or department-wise expense budget. They can get the budget figures for a specific expense code and for a specific period. For department-wise budget, you can set up the budget based on the GL segment account in Sage 300. The application will check everything for the finance user, so you don't have to spend your time into the budget checking process. It will check the spending based on the GL code and the personal limitations. It will also check against the travel request. For example, in a travel request, the requested travel cost was $2,500, but in the expense, you want to reimburse more than $3,000, and you will get a warning or error message. The application can help you greatly with the finance compliance. Now I can submit the expense report and I can get approval information. It needs to be approved by my supervisor, and if it's greater than 1,000, it should also be approved by the general manager. Supervisor can click into the URL in the email notification And he can also manually log in the system to approve the pending expense report. Go to Approve list and click into the pending document. He can review the detailed expense information and looking at the attachments and put the comments. Approver will also get warning or error message for non-compliance expense reports, so they can take action to continue or reject the expense. The approver can check all the approved expenses in the web portal. And because the expense is now greater than 1,000, it now needs to be approved by the general manager. If the general manager is busy and have a lot of traveling, she can also use his mobile app to approve the expense. He can check the expense details through the mobile app, like the expense items, the comments, and the expense amount. The receipt or other attachment can also be reviewed through the mobile app. The general manager can also check the approval trail for the previous comments, and he can check the budget amount in the mobile application as well. Finally, he can put his signature and approve the expense. Now the expense has been fully approved. Now it will move to the final stage. The approved expense will be generated automatically in your Sage 300. Finance user can log in the Sage 300, go to Resource Manager, Travel Expenses, Transactions, Expense Batch List. Click into the document just been approved. And you will find all the expense details like the GL account, the expense amount will be auto-generated in the Sage 300, as well as the tax optional fields, and you can also review the attachment through the backend. You can also check the approved audit trail. After the final review, you can click the Post button to generate the AP invoices into the accounts payable. Nomin also provides the auto post program, so you don't have to manually post it. The invoice can be generated all automatically if you want. You can drill down from the expense entry to the AP invoice entry. And from the accounts payable invoice batch list, you can also find the batch being generated from the resource manager. And you can also drill down from the invoice entry to an expense report. Thanks for watching. We hope the solution can give you easy user experience and better finance control capability.